Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this application requires iOS 13.0 or later or 13.4 or later. I'm going to show you what you can do and then also a workaround that will work for most app download, even if you can't update your iPhone to iOS 13.0 or later. So obviously, if you haven't done so and your phone can actually update in your setting, you're going to go to General, Software, update your phone if it can update past iOS 13, which would be the easiest and the simplest solution. Now, it may be the case that your phone does not update to iOS 13 or it's not compatible. In that case, this is the workaround you want to follow. You'll need to get another Apple device. It could be an iPhone or an iPad that can actually download the app that you're looking to download. And the thing you need to do is the one that can actually download, you will go to that app store and use the same account that you have on the phone that can download, right? The same exact account has to be signed in. So you can sign in using this account into here where the phone can actually download or the iPad can download. And then you're going to go ahead and search up that app. So you're going to search up whatever app it is, right? For example, if I want to get Snapchat on this, I'll download it on this using that same account that's on the phone that can download. And when you do that, you can then sign out of this phone. It doesn't matter. So you can use a friends or family phone that has an updated version and then download it on their app store. And then when you do that, you're going to sign out of that account. So you go ahead and just sign out here, right? Now, with that account, because you used it to download an app in this phone that can't download it, instead of searching for it, you're just going to go to your profile and click on apps. And you're going to see not on this iPhone, and it'll come up on this list. And this time you'll see a cloud icon instead of the get, which you couldn't download before. And really simple this time, you could just click on that cloud icon and it should be able to download that app. And this works for most apps. It's just going to download an older version of that app that's still available because it's part of your history. So all you're going to do again is that use the same Apple ID, sign into a device that can actually download and install that app. And once you have that part of your history on that account, you'll be able to download it on the phone that can update to iOS 13. So I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.